In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an invoice in WooCommerce. This process is an efficient way to ensure that every order from your online store automatically produces a downloadable PDF invoice, making it simpler for both you and your customers to keep track of transactions. All you need to do is follow these simple steps to set it up. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. This is where we can install additional functionalities for your WooCommerce store. In the search bar on the right-hand side, type WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. This plugin is a popular choice as it seamlessly integrates with WooCommerce and allows you to automatically generate and customize invoices for all your orders. Once the search results appear, look for the plugin and click the Install Now button. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so just sit tight. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice that the Install Now button has transformed into an Activate button. Go ahead and click Activate. Activation is an essential step because it enables the plugin to start functioning within your WooCommerce store. Now that your plugin is active, you should see a new option in your WooCommerce settings. Next, return to your WordPress dashboard and, from the menu, go to WooCommerce and then PDF Invoices, followed by General. This section allows you to configure the basic settings for your invoices. In the General settings, you'll set the default invoice options. Choose a template that matches your store's aesthetic. This helps to maintain a consistent brand image across your documents. In the footer note field, you can add a personalized message or important information relevant to your business. This might include contact information, a thank you message to your customers, or any legal information you need to display. Being thoughtful about these small touches can enhance your customer's experience. And there you have it. You're done. Now, with these settings applied, each time an order is processed through your WooCommerce store, a downloadable PDF invoice will be automatically generated. This feature not only saves you valuable time by automating repetitive tasks, but also adds a professional touch to your business operations. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your store's efficiency and professionalism. By setting this up, you've not only streamlined your invoicing process, but also improved the overall customer service experience. Happy selling, and remember to keep your invoices personalized and branded to ensure a cohesive and professional touch to all your communications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on optimizing your WooCommerce store.